Habib University pursuing a bachelor's in computer science.
I'm Sabahat. I'm a student of Habib University pursuing computer science.
My name is Syed Mohammad Azhar Hashmi and I am pursuing a major in computer science from Habib University.
Hello, I'm Rania Siddiqui and I'm pursuing my bachelor's in computer science from Habib.
So I've been working in UI UX at BTC and the softwares that I've been using are Figma. And other than that, this project has helped me improve my skills in HTML and CSS.
So the softwares I'm working with over here are Elasticsearch and Django basically, and then on front end we're doing HTML, CSS, JavaScript.
And the tools and softwares in which we are working in our project here at BTC are Elasticsearch and Django. Django is a framework developed in Python language for app development and web app development specifically. And other than that, we are using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the front-end purposes.
I've been working as an AI intern and the software that I'm using are the local VS Code, Google Colab, and for the front end I've been using Flask and HTML and CSS.
I've been working here for about 5 weeks and my journey so far has actually been really awesome. I've met many wonderful people here and I get to learn a lot from them. Apart from that, my team members have also been very helpful and I have learned a lot through them too.
So my journey over here so far has been great. There has been a lot of learning, a lot of new things. Everybody has been super encouraging about everything, and overall it has been a very fun experience.
It's been amazing to be the part of BTC's AI Datasphere, which is their data lab. And here we got to learn about new frameworks and new technologies and new in-market technologies that are being currently used by the market and are the need of the market. Moreover, it was very great to get hands-on mentorship from our manager, from our team and colleagues.
So my journey here at BTC has been really amazing. It's been for almost 6 weeks now, and I got to learn a lot. And specifically because I've been really interested in AI and data science, and this internship I feel like aligns perfectly with my future goals. So I got to learn many things, and overall people are also really nice. So amazing journey.